Local train services have been hit after an overhead wire collapsed, leading to delays in train services. Angry commuters launched violent protests, vandalizing stations and also torching vehicles. Police had to resort to a lathi charge to move those who were squatting on railway tracks, but the situation still remains tense. Although after the Chief Minister intervened, we now believe that motormen have called off their strike.
Lifeline local trains on Central and Harbour line have come to a halt. We are at Dadar local railway station, which is one of the biggest junction of the Central Railway, and you can see the crowd has started gathering here in big number. That's because the local trains are not operating. There you see the indicators has been put on 00 time. That is done by the officials, railway officials, keeping in mind that the local trains are not running on schedule. In fact, hardly one or two local trains are operating between Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and Thane Station. A couple of trains are running only for within an hour. In fact, not only the Central Railway, but also the local trains, but also the Mail Express trains have also been affected. If my cameraman can show, that is one of the express train on the Dadar local railway station which has been stopped. The main problem occurred at Diva station in Thane when the passengers, in fact the commuters of local trains started stone pelting, and in response to that the police had to resort to mild lathi charge.
Union Rail Minister Suresh Prabhu has said that the situation in Mumbai is now under control and that the government is attempting to avoid such situations in the future.
Near Diva station, the pantograph of a train collapsed. Consequently, the train services were disrupted, delayed. As a result of that, a large number of people were inconvenienced. One motorman was assaulted. Therefore, all the motormen went on strike, resulting into cancellation of several trains. So one small instance of pantograph meeting with an accident resulted into a cascading reaction, avoidable reaction, which resulted in far more inconvenience to people than what could have been done. Immediately, as soon as I learnt about it, I immediately talked to all the people concerned, the general manager, the people on the spot, the members of parliament, the MLAs, the Honorable Minister, Mr. Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, and we tried to take as much corrective action as possible. The motormen fortunately responded favorably, and now they resume work. The situation is getting under control and normalcy is being restored. I am very sorry that people have to suffer, but all such instances which happen need not necessarily result into so much of inconvenience if you handle it little maturely. Accidents will happen, accidents do happen, we try to avoid them, but if they happen by some reason, unfortunately, we must not react in a way that will result into more inconvenience being caused to people.